Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I just got back from Whole Foods and I put my scarf back on, y'all, because I still have my hair braided up. I'm about to take it down soon. My parents are in town visiting, so I'm actually about to head to the movies with them and to eat. And we have reservations at sort of a nicer restaurant tonight. So I think for the movies, I'm going to wear a more comfortable outfit and then come back home and change into something a little nicer for dinner. Finally put my coffee table together. I'm so excited. So this is what it is looking like. And it's a little noisy in here because I have my window open since I have this candle burning and just to get some fresh air. But yeah, it's real cute. It's a little shorter than what I thought it would be. I like it. You know, I think it's going to work for the space. So I want to get a vase to go on the table, so I'm going to be looking for that. And I'm just trying to hurry up and put all these groceries up now, y'all, so I can start getting ready because it's already 1 o'clock. The movie starts at 2:15. Just to show y'all a little what I got at the store, I got some wild caught salmon, and really I was planning on cooking chicken thighs this week, but they don't always have the wild caught salmon, y'all, so when you see it you just have to grab it. I feel like, so I grabbed that just to have. And I'm also, y'all, about to get back on my avocado toast kick for the mornings. So I already don't eat a whole lot in the morning, but just to have an even lighter breakfast. Y'all, I don't even have a place to keep like vegetables and stuff. So I don't know, are you supposed to put avocados in the refrigerator? I'm not even sure, but I think I'm just gonna do that for now. I am still sticking with this plant-based creamer by Elmhurst. And y'all, I'm so proud of me. I used to do like 4 sugars in my coffee. I'm just really trying to overall cut down my sugar intake as much as possible. I got the pistachio one to try. I never tried this. And I got this vanilla creamer. I really like this one. I've used this one daily almost. So yeah, those creamers are free of gums and just any kind of additives, I think I'm saying that name right. So yeah, I've been sticking with those. And then yeah, I use only 1 pack of sugar now, y'all, in my coffee, and I'm so proud of me for that. I have graduated from I used to use like 4 packs and that was just way too much. But I do use sugar in the raw, so you know, it's not terrible. Y'all, the summertime cherries are here. I am super hyped about these. These are my favorite. And then for vegetable this week, I got some Brussels sprouts. Also, y'all, I got some new flowers just because I kind of wanted to switch the colors. But these flowers are on their 2nd week, actually going into week 3. And they don't even look bad. So I really could keep these a little longer. But I don't know, y'all. I'm just kind of ready to switch them out. So, y'all, I really wish I could just like relax on my couch with my coffee. But I can't. But I do want to see this movie though, y'all. I think they're on the 4th one. So I'm so glad they kept going and made a 4th one because Martin and Will together are just so funny. I saw some people saying he was canceled on the internet, y'all, for slapping Chris. Y'all, honestly, I forgot that slap even happened. And to me, it still seems staged. So it's something that I never even took too serious. But yeah, I'm going to finish this up. And the way time is looking, y'all, I don't even have time to do my makeup or anything. So yeah, it's about to be a real casual movie day. And then I'll come back home and do my makeup. I have this little cute floral dress that I want to wear to dinner. So yeah, I will show y'all what that looks like. So this is my little casual movie look. I just threw this jean jacket around my waist. Y'all know how it is. It gets cold in the movie theaters and I don't like being super cold throughout the whole movie. So I'm just gonna put on my Nikes, my brown colored Nikes, y'all. This is this Aritzia bodysuit. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am super obsessed with their bodysuits, like they are just the most comfortable. So I have this one in brown and then I have a green one. I definitely want maybe a couple more colors. Now I took my hair down. We are rocking the curls for right now. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So y'all, I just got up not too long ago. I still got my hair wrap on because I'm about to take my hair down in a second. I am actually getting ready to head out to a bridal shower. So it's my first bridal shower of the year. I actually haven't had anybody around me getting married in a second. So yeah, it's good to have one to go to now. The shower is actually a good hour away from me. So I'm about to get up and start getting ready right now. I have my sheets in the washer now. And I'm over here wondering, y'all, is it gonna be food at the bridal shower? Because I guess it should. It's pretty early, it's at 1 o'clock, but I'm wondering, should I eat before I go? Because that's still a few hours away. So I think I am gonna try to go ahead and cook a super quick breakfast now. I might just make a quick piece of avocado toast. I already have my avocado all smushed up to spread on, so I just need to make the egg and then maybe a slice of bacon to put on there. But y'all, it has been a week, y'all, at work. I have not had any time to do any vlogging. Y'all know I'm still new in my current role and just still trying to get up to speed, still training, and it's just a lot to learn, y'all, in a short amount of time, but we're making it through. Things are slowly becoming easier, but yeah, I just definitely have not had really much to vlog this week, to be honest, y'all. Let me show y'all my dress. So I actually just tried it on, y'all, but I ordered this dress from Petal Puo, and I think it's so cute. I love the colors. Perfect for spring, so, and it fits really well. Y'all, my place is kind of a mess, so I ordered that dress this week. I ordered some new shades. I also ordered some little like nipple covers because, y'all, I can't stand when you can see that through the clothes if it's, you know, an outfit that you can't wear a bra with. But I bought some from this brand called Cakes Body, and their nipple covers are like the non-sticky ones that like pull the hair and everything off. The way they created these seemed to like make more sense for you to pull on and off the skin and like reusing things. Y'all, these are the new shades. I got these from Stella McCartney, I think is how you say the name. Yeah, Stella McCartney. And they were on sale at Nordstrom, so that's the only reason I got them, y'all. And I needed a new pair of shades, and I have not bought a new pair of shades in like a year at least. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on, y'all, when I put my clothes and makeup and stuff on, so we can actually see what they look like, you know, in real life. So yeah, let me hurry up, y'all, and make this food. It's already 10:52. I pretty much need to leave here at like 11:45 to make it on time. I'm not trying to be super late. So y'all, I am definitely running late, but this is what my dress is looking like, and it's so cute, y'all. I love it. So let me hurry up and run out of here. I'm just still kind of laying my hair on the way to the shower, and it is so much traffic, y'all. Like, I was not expecting this much traffic. Wait, let me turn y'all, I got Chris Brown playing, so I'm already running behind. All this traffic is gonna put me even more behind. I had to get some footage of my outfits. I'm not even sure what part of Atlanta I am going to be honest. I think I'm going to a part of the city, y'all, that I have honestly never been to before. Mama pray for me so I won't fall. Nobody knows. Hey y'all, so I'm back from the bridal shower. I'm looking so oily, y'all, so ignore that. I'm about to get in the shower. It is like 7:30. I was actually there for a while, so yeah, I had a good time, and I'm so happy for my line sister, y'all. She and her husband to be have been together since we were in college, so it's just so cool to like witness their love story from like college to now. I'm so ready for this wedding too, y'all. Like, I love a good wedding, and I hope the bride to be enjoy herself. But yeah, it was a vibe. We did this little toilet paper contest where we had to wrap someone in toilet paper and make it look like a wedding dress, y'all. It was so funny. It took a minute to get down there, but I'm glad I went. We were talking about going out after, but y'all, at this age, I know back in the day we would, because me and my line sisters, we don't get together a whole lot. But if this was back in the day, I know we probably would have went out after, but y'all, we all tired. So yeah, it's Saturday night. We are in the house, y'all. They over here texting me. I told them we need to have troll practice, y'all, before the wedding. wedding because y'all, back in college with strolling, dancing has never been like my top skill at all. I used to get through the strolls, but it wasn't the easiest thing. If you all don't know, I pledged, aka back in college. I'm just talking like y'all know that, but yeah. So at weddings, it's like tradition to do your stroll, kind of like your main sorority or fraternity stroll at your wedding. So yeah, so y'all, I'm gonna have to be practicing over here if I'm gonna participate in that. I'm about to take a shower, y'all, and then do some editing and just kind of relax for the rest of the night. That's about to be my Saturday night. Y'all, I for sure have to wear this dress again because I did like it, but yeah, time to take it off now. Hey y'all, so I just finished breakfast and I'm finishing up my matcha now. And yeah, just kind of relaxing, y'all, because I stayed up extremely late last night finishing up today's vlog that I'm getting ready to post. I need to make the cover photo for that one real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make that one live, and then I need to get at least one Instagram or TikTok or both video posted. So I'm just relaxing a little bit now, watching a few other vlogs, and probably about to turn a Netflix show on really quick, y'all. My avocado toast was pretty good. I've been trying to get back on that lately to eat even lighter in the morning times. So yeah, it was super good. I put tomato, onion on it, and then, oh my god, y'all, I just thought about it. I bought some feta cheese to put on it, but I forgot to put that on there, but it's cool. But what else? Oh, and an egg on it. So it was really good. Hey y'all, so I'm still here in the same spot, but I got my content posted. I got my YouTube video up, and then I got a Instagram video posted, and then I posted it also to TikTok. So that's a good thing. But I did a photo shoot recently, y'all, and my photographer, she just sent over the pictures, and y'all, I'm cracking up because I have to show y'all. So y'all, we took some shots in front of the Visa building. It's so funny, like the security started coming out, and you can just see her like in real time running behind me, but we got some good ones before she started yelling at us. I don't even know what the big deal is about taking pictures in front of certain buildings. It's like, dang, you know, like we in there causing a ruckus or disturbing the peace. We were just trying to get a few photos because it was a nice building. We got some nice shots and whatever before she chased us down. But I'm just trying to pick out the ones that I want her to edit for me now. And then y'all, I really don't feel like going anywhere. I'm just so tired. Like this summer, I have been so on the move. Like it's just every single weekend I've been doing a lot. So it just feels good to not have anywhere to go. But so I'm really trying to figure out, am I gonna get some groceries delivered or go pick them up? But I think I'm gonna just go pick them up, y'all, because I need to get outside.